How to use Western Union Pay in Store feature. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you use Western Union Pay in Store. So first thing first, you have to log into your profile on Western Union app or www.wu.com. After which, you want to enter the destination country and the amount you wish to send. Select the receiver's payout method, cash pickup or bank account. When prompted for the payment method, you could choose Pay Cash in Store, and this generates a tracking number that is typically valid for 24 hours. Next, you could also go ahead and visit an Asian location. You could find a participating Western Union Asian locations, and you could just bring the following documents like your government issued ID and all that, and that way you will be able to use Western Union Pay in Store feature. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.